In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create lo-fi music inside of Riffusion AI. It is super easy to do, so the first thing you need to do is open up Riffusion AI like you usually would. Definitely here you need to go up to create the music you imagine. Then you need to select either prompt or compose, where you can add in your own lyrics and other details if you want to do that. But for this example, I'm just going to choose prompt. Then you're going to write in your prompt, and if you don't already have a couple prompts, I have a bunch of them linked down in the description down below for you to check out. So let's create some lo-fi music. We want some lo-fi study music. It needs to have a peaceful guitar, soft strings, have some calm drums. It needs to be 60 BPM, and it needs to be 4x4. Then from here, when you're done with clicking in your prompt, you simply need to click create. Oh, then Riffusion is gonna create 2 songs for you to check out. We can hear them whenever they are done generating. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!